I'm Alka Chaturvedi. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and my passion is astrology. I did Jyotirved and Jyotirvisharad from Bhavans, Mumbai, and I learned about Hora Ratnam and Hora Vachaspati from KP Staller Institute of Chennai, and I did psychological astrology from Faculty of Astrological Studies, UK. You know, as an astrologer, people keep asking me same question again and again, that does astrology exist? क्या astrology वाकई में कुछ astrology है? Because there are thousands and millions of people who are born on earth, and we are so tiny, and how the planets which are so far away from our earth, how can they affect us? This question is asked all the time, and when as an astrologer, I get mixed response also. Some people are entirely negative about it, or they say we don't believe in it. Some say that some are positive, they've said that they believe in it. But a lot of people show a mixture of curiosity, doubt, and interest. We get the following response. Some will say, I believe in astrology. Some will say, no, I don't believe in astrology. Some will say, I'm an Aquarian. Please tell something about my sign. Basically, many people are skeptical about the subject. I believe that people are apprehensive because of ignorance, or they do not have right knowledge, and they don't have access to right knowledge about it. Nowadays, people reach Europe in 8 hours, US in 16 hours, but 100 years back, people would have not accepted it. People would have not accepted that they can reach US in 16 hours because they used to go by ship at that time. So inventions and discoveries gives us more knowledge, they make us more aware, and when we know something, then we don't see it with doubtful eyes. Same way, if you learn the alphabets of astrology and some basic principle, then you can see it yourself, that it makes you more self-aware. I always say that I am not a god, and I don't get messages from God. I have studied astrology, and I apply the basic principle of astrology as much as I can to your chart, and on that basis only I tell that what may happen in your life. The discoveries are happening in astrology, as it is happening in every field. 4G came, now 5G is coming, and in science also so many inventions are happening. In every field, new inventions or discoveries are happening. In the same way, in astrology also, discoveries are happening. Astrology is not a modern study. It exists from prehistoric age, when human used to live in cave. There are proof of astrology in history of every civilization, be it Mesopotamia or Greek, Roman, Arab, Indus Valley. All civilizations show that human always used to study about the moon cycle, day and night, animal cycle, planet cycle, and used to study its effect on our life. The prehistoric man used to be so scared कि भाई कब full moon है, कब अमावस की रात है. So they used to be scared, and they used to do their daily activities or their general activities according to by following those systems, those indications. And these astronomers and astrologers, they have discovered these planets slowly. They have not discovered one single day, all the planets, the Western astrologers use Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, other than our usual 9 planets like Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn. They use Rahu, Ketu, they use Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. And these are very latest discoveries, Planet Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. Neptune was discovered by Max Handel in 1846. Planet Pluto was discovered in 1930. And now you must have heard that 13th sign of zodiac, which is Ophiuchus, is discovered as lately as in 2017. So all these discoveries keeps happening. Then people adapt their influence on our life, and then it is applied on our in studying the astrology. Earlier traditional astrologers, they never used to. There is hardly much material about Kal Sarpadosh, but modern Vedic astrologers, they use Kal Sarpadosh a lot, and they see that if a person's chart has Kal Sarpadosh, then they have to make little more extra effort than the people who do not have Kal Sarpadosh in their chart. The same way, astrology is the study of meaningful relationship which seems to exist between events and experiences on our earth because of the movement of planets. I'll say that astrology is that whatever is happening on in the universe among the planets, the same way they influence the events. Events means the earthquake or the cyclone or the tornadoes or the human life also they affect. There are so many misconceptions about astrology in our culture and media also. These are difficult to explain, and sometimes it's difficult to prove also in today's scientific environment. But so I thought of starting a series in which I'll address the myth about the subject. So the question remains that does astrology exist? I'll say yes, astrology exists. The astrology exists, and many scientists also have confirmed that planetary movement affects the Earth and our life on Earth, events and life on our Earth. In 1951, American radio engineer Mr. Nelson showed that when planets are sitting in conjunction, or when they are sitting in harmonious aspect to each other of 60 and 120 degrees, there used to be less disturbances. Then when they were opposing each other, or when they were sitting in harmonious aspect. A geologist, Mr. Tomczak, chairman of World Geophysical Council, studied the planetary movement at the time of earthquake and cyclones and tornadoes. He found that hard aspect between slow moving planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, it causes these earthquake, cyclones, tornadoes, or other weather conditions. A Soviet physician, Dr. Potsyebikin, showed that the road accidents are far more in numbers when solar fire produce a lot of ultraviolet radiations. William Herschel forecasted when there are sunspots. Sunspots are, it makes the temperature of sun little cooler. So when there are sunspots on the sun, at that time the prices of crops go down. He found the relationship between the sunspots and business cycle. He claimed that periodical fluctuations occur because of it. Dr. Brown of America researched several years on Earth. He kept them in dark cage and found that the movement of rat were affected by the sun-moon cycle. He found that when moon was in waxing phase during Shukla Paksh, the rats used to be far more active than when the moon was in waning phase or in Krishna Paksh. The earth has 3/4 of water, and in the same way, our body also has 3/4 of water, or around 75 to 80% of the water or a liquid. So it exerts gravitational pull on our body and affects us also. So summarizing, I'll say that astrology is a complicated subject, extremely complicated subject, and it can be learned only if a person is highly intuitive or has a receptive mind. He also and a person also needs a highly evolved guru who can help him to understand the truth and the intangible concept, because so many times you cannot prove. The skeptics, and I'll say the skeptics and rationalists may continue to doubt, but astrology is a science as well as art. It had relevance in past, it is valid today, and it will have relevance in the future also. I believe it. Thank you.